Welcome to ReStore. So, I'm Jill, Irhana. I'm the leader, and Irhana is my next leader of ReStore. And together with Steffi, another sustainable architecture student, we started ReStore this year. And it's a bunch of students, big volunteer student organization to store outgoing students' goods over the summer to donate to incoming students in the fall. We all lived in Moholt when we first came here and had nothing. Like, you come with a suitcase, and at the end of the year you can't take your dishes with you or your chair or anything like that, so a lot of it gets thrown out. So we started this to kind of help out the next year's students and prevent good stuff from going to waste.
We are a student organization from students to students. So the idea is to take the items that students would get rid of, store them over the summer and give them back in August. So we have been opening our ReStore twice a week in the times the students were moving out, and have collected quite some amount of items which we're gonna give back to arriving students in middle August.
So we're here at the old Moholt kindergarten, which isn't in use anymore, and SIT has very generously allowed us to use it for the summer to store everybody's stuff. And they also were really great and lent us the use of their van to collect things to put in this kindergarten. So we're working together with them to kind of make life a little bit easier for new students here in Trondheim. So let's see what we have.
Yeah.
So we've got a little bit of everything here. Anything that outgoing students thought would be useful and is still in good condition, they give to us and we give to you. So we've got decorations, we've got furniture, instruments, lights, blankets, so many lights. But one of the cool things about having this kindergarten is we kind of have a room for everything. So this is our chair room. Chairs, stools, folding chairs, lawn chairs, whatever you need, we kind of have it here. This is our small table room, bedside tables, all the bedside tables. You can tell what the most popular model at IKEA was. It's hampers, we've got so many drying racks. And we're still organizing this bit because we have so much kitchen stuff. All the kitchen stuff. Volunteer here, Srijay. Be cool, be like Srijay, come join us and volunteer.
Here we have a table room. Most of the tables are used to place items for giveaway in August, but this is the rest of them.